DYD has three core sections. Section 1 here is where we are going to focus on understanding success and defining our own success. We are spending time on goal setting here. Okay, once we are done here, we move to section 2 where we analyze all kinds of factors, internal, external, environmental, that impact our success, and we create a core set of features and factors that we can control to improve our chances of success. Once we are done with that, move to section 3 here. Section 3 is where we analyze the habits and mindset of the most successful people of the world, and from that analysis we squeeze out a few principles of success. Then we utilize those principles to create an action plan for you to design and achieve and shape your destiny and be successful.